Hey everyone, welcome back to Tico Tech, where we decode the future of tech in plain English. Today's episode is about one of the boldest baits in modern history. And no, it's not crypto or space travel, it's artificial intelligence, and big tech is going all in. We're talking about over $350 billion being poured into AI development this year alone. So, why? And what does it mean for you? Let's break it all down. The scale of the investment. Let's start with the numbers. In 2025, companies like Google, Amazon, Meta, Apple, and Microsoft are expected to invest more than $350 billion into AI infrastructure. This includes massive data centers, high-performance chips, training large language models, AI agents that can work independently. For context, that's more than the GDP of entire countries like Finland or Portugal. So, why are they spending that much? The why behind the billions, it all comes down to one thing. AI is not just a feature, it's the new platform. Every industry, from healthcare to banking to logistics, is transforming with AI. And big tech knows that whoever controls the AI infrastructure controls the future. Just like cloud computing gave Amazon AWS and Microsoft Azure their dominance, AI is the next race. The new AI economy, AI is no longer just about smart assistants. We're seeing a new class of tools called agentic AI autonomous AI agents that can complete tasks, run businesses, write code, and even manage other AIs. These tools are revolutionizing workflows, cutting down costs, and increasing productivity at scale. That SY tech giants are building their own AI chips and models they don't want to rent. They want to own. What this means for the job market, here's where it affects you. With more AI systems, we're seeing mass layoffs across tech. Thousands of jobs are being replaced or restructured, especially in customer service, marketing, and coding. But at the same time, new jobs are emerging in AI ethics, prompt engineering, and model alignment. So it's not just about losing jobs, it's about adapting fast enough. Risks and concerns, of course, it's not all good news. With so much money and power behind AI, we're facing serious concerns about data privacy, misinformation, algorithmic bias, and regulatory gaps. Big tech is racing ahead faster than governments can respond, and that opens up a lot of unknowns. So, is this $350 billion bet going to pay off? In many ways, it already is. AI is changing how we live, work, and even think. But the real question is, who's in control of that future? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe to Tico Tech, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the future of tech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.